Guys, welcome back to my channel. From the other day, I've been like videos. I've still been earning in the background. So yes guys, but the thing is, money making apps are basically paying out way less than they used to. So it's hard for me to do like a schedule cash out and stuff like that. So basically that is it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna share to you guys how much is in my account, and I'm just gonna share with you guys what has been going on. So yes guys, so if you're interested, just go ahead and stay tuned. So as of right now, you guys can see I have 51 coins, 245, and I'm able to cash out. The minimum to cash out I think is 15,000 coins. So yeah, so if I'm gonna cash out right now, I can use a variety of option. I can cash out in my Coinbase account, I can do Lightning, and I can also do PayPal. From the other day, I kind of want to do PayPal because I have been just trying my best to accumulate some more PayPal money. So let's say I want to buy some Bitcoin or some Ethereum, I'll have some like cash, so I'm able to do a buy if there's any dip, like swift crash or dip or anything like that on the market. So yes guys, and this is because I've been starting to accumulate more cryptocurrency for my portfolio starting this year, God's willing. So yes guys, but right now I'm not gonna really cash out any of my earning at the moment. I kind of want it to go to around 100 something coins. So yeah, so I'm basically halfway there. So next time you guys get a video, it will be just to show you guys my update, or maybe it's a cash out. Yes guys, so I want to thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate you guys. So as I mentioned before, I only use two of the money making apps on this platform. So I only use the Ethereum Blast and the Bitcoin Food Fight. But you can see that they have a new game. It's called Dungeon. It's called Dungeon, and it's the Bitcoin Blast. So Dungeon Bitcoin Blast, and you can download it. So what I'm gonna do, because on my channel I have all these example of me playing these games. I have examples of the Bitcoin Sudoku, and I have the Bitcoin Solitaire. I have the Word Breeze, right? I have the Bitcoin Food Fight, and I have the Bitcoin Blocks. I also have Ethereum Blast and Bitcoin Pop, Bitcoin Blast, and Sweet Bitcoin. The only one I didn't have, and I told you guys, is because it's new, is the Dungeon Bitcoin Blast. So I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna do a video and I'm gonna post it for you guys, so you guys can have an example of how I'm able to play the game to accumulate more coins. So I'm able to cash out either PayPal money or Bitcoin, right? So yes guys, which is stashes. And guys, I don't know if you guys remember when I was telling you guys that Bitcoin was above, like, you remember when I used to buy like $1 could I give me 1,000 satoshis or more, over 1,000 satoshis. Now $1 is not able to give you 1,000 satoshis, and that's just the whole idea of basically just accumulating more and more Bitcoin. So yes guys, of course you have to know what you're doing. So for example, let's say you are a person that just stock Bitcoin long term. For me, I do swing trade, so I will accumulate, and then when the market looks in my favor, I'll sell, and that's me personally. So yeah, so as I said before, I'm on my accumulating cryptocurrency journey again, starting this year, this summer. So yeah, so before I go guys, I want to say, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys.